Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. Firstly, you need to access device's settings. Now choose absent notifications over here, choose notifications and scroll down. Then you need to click on see all from last 7 days and pick an app. I will go with Chrome. So now when I tap on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Chrome are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, just tap on this same switcher. You can always just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here as well. If you wish to turn them back on, just click again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!